Now, StormWatch 12 weather with meteorologist Oliver Smith.
Well, temperatures aren't too bad up and down Interstate 5 and along the Oregon coast right now, but it is cool east of the Cascades, which we're all into the 30s. In fact, hovering around freezing for Christmas Valley and Chemult. A little bit milder, 37 for both Klamath Falls and Lakeview, but pretty much into the low 40s for the Shasta Valley. Here in the Rogue Valley, or into the mid 40s and right around 50 degrees along the Oregon coast. Now, we do have a few showers in the vicinity, but they're mostly in elevated locations, pretty much into the Cascades at this time, but not really active overall. Now, there is another system off to our north and west, and this is moving in our direction, but you can kind of tell by the looks of it, it's not really all that impressive. It doesn't really look like a whole lot, and it's not really going to do a whole lot to our weather, but we'll get into that here in a little bit. But in terms of today, we do have a small chance of seeing a shower here in the Rogue Valley. It's going to be one of those days where you're like, maybe walking along, taking a hike, and then you could be lucky or unlucky where you just get rained on for 5 minutes and then it goes away. But that's kind of one of the days that we're going to be looking at for today, and temperatures just staying into the 40s overall. We'll be looking at the mid to high 30s east of the Cascades, but generally 40 to 45 from Mount Shasta City all the way up through Grants Pass. 46 in Medford, 49 degrees is the forecast high for Brookings. Now for tonight, we'll be looking at upper 30s along the Oregon coast and 30s, 20s and 30s for the rest of the region. 20 is the cold spot out in Lakeview, 34 for Grants Pass. Now, rainfall for the remainder part of the day today. Again, like I said, there is that small chance of seeing a shower for today. If we get a shower, you'll be lucky if you really get any measurable rainfall. But if you are going to get any measurable rainfall, it's going to be very light for today. Tomorrow, same kind of scenario. That system will actually move into our region and still give us very light rain, and not everyone's going to pick up a whole lot of rain. In fact, generally, we're going to be looking at less than 1/10 of an inch of rain. So for today, again, that small chance of seeing a shower for today, especially into the Cascades, that's where you're going to have the better chance. Tonight clears on out. Tomorrow, that thin band of rain moves through the region for tomorrow, and that's about it. And then it clears out once we get towards Friday night and into Saturday morning. So car wash forecast tomorrow's not going to be the greatest day because of that chance of showers, but Saturday and Sunday, not looking too bad, and temperatures are actually going to start to warm up as well. In fact, for the Klamath Basin, Friday we'll have that chance of showers, the snow showers that might warm up just enough to where it gets to be rain showers in the afternoon, but it's still not going to be a significant weather event. Saturday and Sunday, temperatures warming back up into the 40s. Here in the Rogue Valley for the next 7 days, so if you don't like those cold temperatures, we're going to start to warm up once we get towards Saturday, and we're going to start to be well above average by the time we get towards the middle part of the week. So at least in terms of the cold temperatures, they're going to be going away here, at least temporarily. So for the Oregon coast forecast, you can see temperatures in the 40s through Friday, and then we start 50s beginning on Saturday, and that looks to be the dry day with more showers along the Oregon coast beginning on Sunday. Northern California, just a few showers on Friday and Saturday, really nothing significant, but today dry, Saturday and Sunday dry as well, and not much activity for Monday either. And Klamath Basin, just some showers for the next couple of days, still nothing really significant, but temperatures into the upper 30s, but they get back into the 40s beginning on Saturday. Cascades, we'll see some snow, but not a whole lot of snow, just a couple inches, and that's really about it. But Saturday will be the nicer of the weekend days. And here in the Rogue Valley, chance of showers, just not really a big significant threat for today and tomorrow. Saturday, though, is looking pretty nice.